Hi, what's up, fellow YouTubers? How you all doing out there? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good evening, good night. Welcome to my channel and thank you for taking the time and watching my video. I really appreciate it. In this video, I'd like to show you how to make this cool, fun, and interesting jewelry. I saw this woman in TV. She was wearing this earring. It was lobster claw clasp. So it just happened that I have this huge lobster claw clasp. This one I'm talking about. They used to close jewelry, a clasp. But this one is huge. Some people they have small ones. I thought it's cool, the shape of it. So I'm gonna make an earring out of this and a necklace. Lobster claw clasp. Here. It's huge. So you need this big or smaller than this, but I like this big. I believe this is 23 millimeter. It's huge. And you need also some jump ring. 12 millimeter jump ring. You need also a chain. I have this chain. And it never tarnish. It's a good quality chain. And you need some beads. I have this gold and green and white beads. I put them on already on the head pins. So you need some head pins as well. And hook for pierce ears. And I think that's about it. Oh, some beads. I choose these acrylic beads because I like the color, like green. I like the shape of it. That's blue combination. And you need your pliers and the round nose pliers, and then the wire cutter. So let me start with the earring. So I have them already in the head pin. I'm just gonna cut it short, and with the round nose pliers, I'm just gonna curl it up like this and put a 6 millimeter jump ring. There you go. And just attach them on your, you do it like upside down. It's so cool. There you go. Isn't that cool? Woohoo! I put on the hook. It is so cool. I love this. Let me make the other one. Got it? And curl it up. And then 6 millimeter jump ring. I love doing this. Woohoo! There you go. Attach it to the lobster claw clasp. Close it up. Just like that. And then put the hook. It's so pretty. Isn't this the cutest? I love this. I got 2 of them. This one and that one. Let me show you. It's so cute. Let me make the matching pendant. So I have these beads. I put them already on the let me add more beads. Put them on the head pin. It's too long. I'll cut it short. And then just curl it up. And then 6mm jump ring. And then close it. There you go. And then put it on the lobster claw clasp. Here. Make a pendant. There you go. Isn't this cute? Then I'm just gonna attach it to my chain. I'm gonna look for the center. See? The center should be here. Alright? Then get a 6mm jump ring. I almost knock it down. Here you go. It's fun. It is so cute. And this is so easy. It's so interesting, the lobster claw clasp. That's it. I just have to finish it. Not finish yet, but I'm just gonna show you. That's how it looks. And then add my jump ring and lobster claw clasp, and then jump ring on the other side. Open it and close it up. There you go. Let me put it on. Let me put it here on my mannequin, half-bodied mannequin. Not even half, just the torso. There you go. It's fun. And let me put the earring. It is fun. It's fun earring set and necklace. How cute is that, huh? I love the gold. I hope you will try this project. It's not so hard. It's an easy one. You could even use your old Lobster claw clasp. I see you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Be safe out there. Be well, be good. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.